10 others. Peña is being given a good chance in the side with Ter Stegen injured. Casado keeps his place in the centre of midfield. More yellow cards than any other team. They have had a balance. There's been quite a turnover in recent seasons. Badia is alongside Marcao in defence. Nianzou is suspended. Saul, who they signed from Atletico Madrid in the summer, is... There's nothing quite like the Sunday game in La Liga to round off a fine footballing weekend. It's the start of a massive week for Football Club Barcelona. They're looking for retribution when they take on Bayern Munich on Wednesday night. They're hoping to peak Barcelona next week. Catalan, yeah, which is normally a requirement of a Barcelona coach. Koundé. Isaac Romero leads the charge. Here is their key man, Luca Bacchio. Isaac is in the centre. Luca Bacchio trying to get on his favoured left foot. That he does. And, well, they did us a firework of a shot.
Big chance. And there's the danger. Koundé does well, wins it back, but then Sevilla win the ball in this area here. Balde's up the field. Now Martinez has got a problem. 1v1 against Luca Bacchio. He's always going to come back on his left foot, and he opens it up for himself. He just doesn't wrap his foot round it. I think you'll see from here. Starts it way too wide.
Fati. Balde. Pedri. Yamal. Rafinha goes down, and the referee could not have been better placed to offer Barcelona the penalty.
Well, I said he was having an influence on the game. That's the influence he didn't want. Peque coming back, trying to get tight to Rafinha, who just turned away from him here. Referee sees the tug on the arm, although it wasn't.
It was the slightest of touches.
I was going to say, it was the slightest of touches.
Oh. Rafinha must have a very low pain threshold. He's down holding his knee.
Was there any contact with his knee? Just there. That's it. That's where the foul is. It's not the arm, it's the knee on the knee of...
This is a man who lives for scoring goals. He just loves it, doesn't he? 13th of the season in all competitions for the goal-scoring machine that is the great Robert Lewandowski. He had missed a penalty this season against Villarreal, and that I think just makes him all the hungrier to score. Try that with at home, kids. It's like an Irish dance.
Very sure that the goalkeeper was going to go the other way, because he doesn't hit it with any sort of pace. Playing offside, which he wasn't going to be offside.
Lewandowski. Yamal. Through Koundé. Oh, what a goal that was! A superb strike. A full punch from Pedri. Did he mean it?
A big switch of play, and then he just wrapped his foot round it, controlled the shot into the top corner. What a good goal. There's where they win the ball back. It's actually Pedri that won the ball back. There's the switch of play. Now, he wanted to get it on his left foot and get a shot away. He's trying to play it to Koundé. Koundé, be kind on him, say, let it run through his legs. To Pedri. Look at this for a finish. Goalkeeper gets fingertips to it, but not enough. He hits it with great power inside of the foot. Wonderful goal from Barcelona.
To make a grown man jump. It's great to see Pedri back. Flick's probably wanting to do with, he looks at his diary and sees, oh, Bayern Munich and Real Madrid next. Nilan. Rafinha needed a touch, got a touch from Lewandowski. And now it's all in the eyes of the law. Was he in a legal position or not? He felt so instinctively. And he's celebrating his second of the game.
Well, when he actually touches the ball, it looks as though he's offside, but as I think it was Rafinha was having the shot, the defenders were stepping out, so it could be very tight here. He thinks it's a goal. There's the ball played into the box, punch from the goalkeeper, and the shot comes in. Oh, I think, looking at the player closest to the camera here, Agume, I think might have kept him onside. It's a tight one. I think Agume does keep him onside.
Agume's heel.
Yep.
Well, in La Liga we have the semi-automated system that takes the human element in any area of doubt out of decisions like this.
No mistake. That's a good finish as well. Ball's coming to him very, very quickly.
He's back in. Then they shunted him out to the left wing for the last few minutes of the first half. Pedri, it's a brilliant ball in. I mean, ambitious, audacious. They needed a high-flying save from Nilan.
It's a good shot and a good save. The ball's stuck between his feet, so he has to use the outside of his boot. It's almost the perfect finish. Top hand from Nilan. Getting across a couple of steps. Just gets enough on it. Good save.
Absolute extreme, wasn't it, from the Norwegian international goalkeeper.
Koundé wins it back.
Koundé to Yamal. Yamal again with the outside of that boot. Beats Rafinha. Rafinha! All those celebrations again.
What a pass. What a pass this is. Yes, he is offside, but look at the way he bends it round those two defenders. Perfectly weighted. It's not a bad finish as well from Rafinha.
And the long journey to start the game against Venezuela for the world champions last week. Gavi. Koundé. Well, he's come on, and that is what you call an impact sub.
They still perform in the same manner. Pedri with the pass out wide. Koundé tries to cross it, comes back. There's the big deflection. Comes off centre half. Macau. Past the goalkeeper, he's got no chance. A better view here. There it is, and between the legs of Bade. When your luck's in, your luck's in. There's a good strike from Pablo Torre.
4-0 Barcelona. A huge hug for Gavi. And listen to the roar of supporters as one of the Barca Golden Boys is back.
One Golden Boy going off, the next one coming on.
It's like a production line, isn't it?
Big chance for Pau Victor.
There is one assignment for Barcelona, not to concede a goal. They're being tested here. Well, they have conceded again. There is one block on the copybook. Zambo. Oh. Zambo scores his first goal in La Liga.
And there's the danger. Very high line, ball played in behind. Kabasi can't get there. Good first touch from Idumba. And then a good composed finish right in the corner. Throughout the first half, we saw Peña come out his box in a big starting position and intercept those sort of balls over the top. This time he stayed back. Idumba got to the ball first. Kabasi could. At times it will be the centre halves that have to go out there, and that was the case there with Kabasi.
Torre just needs a touch, or did it need a touch? It went straight in. Who takes the celebration? Torre deceived everybody with the whip on the ball. It's a fifth for Barcelona. They're having a Sunday night party.
Well, first of all, I don't think it's good defending. You live in so much space for this ball to be whipped in. Players don't recover. But what a delivery from Pablo Torre. He's not trying to score, he's just hitting it into a very good area. Now, is the player that runs in front of the goalkeeper or closest to the goalkeeper in an offside position? No.
He held back, didn't he? Was it Kubasi?
It was Martinez who is closest to it. He wasn't offside. Kubasi, I think, was, but he didn't make the run. He wasn't close enough to the ball to be interfering, so this should stand. Goalkeeper not quite sure what to do. He thinks Martinez is going to get a touch on it. So it goes one way and the ball just ends up going in the other corner. A few moments for Pablo Torre.
And he's been largely a spectator tonight. He'll be upset that he's conceded a goal. He's certainly hanging on to the place. Job well done from Barcelona. They're keeping that hunger and that enthusiasm, and Hansi Flick has brought the soul back to football.